How's it going, everybody? Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa. Today we're going over the 2023 inTech OVR Expedition. Let's get into it. The interior of this RV has a very unique style to it, almost futuristic, and it utilizes every single inch to maximize potential storage and sleeping capacity. It's got infinity woven flooring, which has a really cool look to it, and it's super easy to clean. You get anything on it, washes right off. No carpet stains to worry about in this one. Very unique overhead storage as well. Lifts right up, and when you're done with it, closes all by itself and very softly. Got a front closet here. Does the same thing. And all around you see these kind of nylon strings. Super strong, super sturdy. Stuff's not going anywhere. TV as well. And your sound system plays inside or outside or simultaneously. Got Bluetooth and USB, HDMI, aux, and AM, FM. 79-inch by 88-inch L-shaped dinette. Take that off. Take some of those back cushions off. You can sleep one kid that way and one kid that way. And the other awesome thing, probably didn't even notice it, this overhead bunk. You pull that, and you pull this, and out pops an overhead bunk. 175-pound capacity on that. Into the kitchen, stainless steel large farmhouse sink with a brushed nickel faucet. More storage below and overhead. Convection microwave with a grill as well. And above that, you got a 2-burner cooktop. Two-door, 10 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. And right behind through these doors is your bathroom. Combination shower, and you got the bathroom seat. Also have this awesome lighting and a fan. Toilet is porcelain, and you have your toilet paper here with the cover so when you're showering it doesn't get wet. Also got the mirror for you here. Into the bedroom, equipped with the twin bunks. Like I said, maximizes sleeping capacity. More storage overhead there, and in the front down here with your outlets and your USB chargers. More overhead storage there, and this awesome skylight. Awesome views wherever your journey takes you, and really brightens up the room. Also got these awesome hangers. You can use them whenever you want, but if not, out of sight. AC here. And you got a fan there, as well as there. This RV has an unloaded vehicle weight of 5,200 pounds, a cargo carrying capacity of 2,300 pounds, and a gross vehicle weight rating of 7,500 pounds. Got a black tank capacity of 26 gallons, a gray tank capacity of 30 gallons, and a freshwater tank capacity of 44 gallons. It's got a heated underbelly and 12-volt line heaters and tank heat pads. And it's got bubble foil R7 insulation in the walls and ceilings. It's got a fully welded cage and frame construction and a fully aluminum roof. This RV handles any terrain and holds up to the elements. It's got torsion axles with 15-inch nitrogen-filled off-road radial tires. These are going to handle any terrain you put them on. In the front, it's got a little outdoor kitchen with a griddle. It's got a cup holder there. And this awesome fridge that also can serve as a freezer. 14-foot power awning up top. Stab jacks for stabilization on any terrain. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. On the back side, some outdoor storage. And some more right here. Detachable power cord with 30 amp service. And right there is a port to hook up some solar right on the side if you choose to do so. And even more exterior storage on the off-door side. On the front side, you got your spare tire. Gives it an awesome look. Electric tongue jack. And some storage on the front for your 2 20-pound LP tanks. This RV is a great choice if you're looking for something to take off-road, especially if you got a family with you, because this one can sleep up to 5 people. And it's got this awesome skylight right up front. Ask any of our service technicians and they'll tell you the same thing. Once an inTech leaves Premier RV, we don't see it back because they are built durable and they are built to last. This one's got an MSRP of $65,404, but we got it on sale, so come check out our website, premierrv.com, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time.